Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my yummy around the world. How are you there? So today guys, I am going to unbox, okay? It's unboxing time, the one I ordered from online last night. So actually supposed to be they will deliver this yesterday, but it's because that I attend to the for our dinner with my colleagues, so it's canceled. And I follow up to the driver. Luckily, he came to our shop and he delivered this one. Actually guys, this is I'm so excited this one because I'm going to give this to my daughter. Let me check guys. Are you ready? Me, I'm so excited, guys. Okay, there we go. So, okay. Here we go, guys. I can't wait to see it. Sorry for my background. Because I go shopping, guys. How are you? I think I need to get a scissor. Just hold it, guys. Okay. Are you excited? Oh my god, it's very nice. This is for my daughter. Wow. Here we go. Wow. Yeah, it's a CROCS, guys. It's a bag. Okay. Wow. Wow. You can see it's very nice. And also there's something inside. Oh, this is a free gibbets. It's nice. And it's a CROCS, guys. CROCS bag. It's a CROCS bag, guys. See? Very nice. This is for my daughter. So I'm going to put this one. So guys, this is the gibbets. Oh my god, it's so cute. There's a lot. Ay, sorry, it fall down. This one, guys. It's so cute. I love it. See? There's some flower, butterfly, cherry. Okay, we will start to put this one. I think this one here. Where's the name? CROCS. Where is that? I saw it before. There is a one CROCS here. Oh my god, where is that? I lost it. Ah, it's here, sorry. Guys, it's a CROCS. Okay, I'm going to put this one here. Okay, there we go. And then the cherry. Someone's snoring. That's my husband, guys. That's Papa. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. My daughter, she will love this one. There we go, guys. And of course, there's a piggy. Piggy, I'm gonna put you here. There's some animals also, like puppy. There's a dog. There's a butterfly. Let's see, guys. There's a shark. Ish. Snoring. There's a flower. I love the flower, guys. So I think this is enough. It's too much already. Okay, can I show you? There's a lot more here. Oh, gibbets. This one here. I love it. Oh my god. It's hard. So here we go, guys. To my beautiful daughter, Angelica, here's your bag, the CROCS bag, okay? I hope you like it. It's very nice. See? Look at that bottom, guys. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.